as we go through them. This Terry Holt acetate, man. And this one's got like almost 3D effect sticking out at you. This one's a beautiful card. The guy had this in a rookie case, but I don't think it is his rookie card. But still, it's a very beautiful card. Randy Moss again. Is this the gold or not? So when I was looking through this, it's like a $2-3 card. Otherwise, a gold is worth like $5-10 when I was doing recent pricing. I know it's got a little ding on the corner up there, but that's what happens when you just throw it in a bag. But yeah, can you let me know, is this a Randy Moss gold or not?